I was sent this red dot sight from CVLIFE. It stands for Country Values for Life. This is their Wildhawk series. It's a red dot. Let's show you what you get out of the box with this. Comes really well put together here and packed. Make a great gift. It's really nice presentation. Give you instructions here for how to set it up depending on your type of weapon and how to adjust the reticles and use the buttons on it to make the different options work for your best scenario. So instructions are always very detailed. Give you a cleaning cloth. They're going to give you all the adapters you need for this sight to mount on top of your weapon of choice, whether that be a Glock or a AR-15 or anything like that. So here's all the components. They even give you the batteries. So you're going to have 2 batteries. They're going to give you the tools that you need to make adjustments so that you can sight this red dot in. Specifically, you're going to get a small screwdriver, very, very thin head on there, and a very small Torx bit, and as well other options on the other end also. So very, very small tools that you'll need to make those adjustments. You're going to get a mounting plate here. Going to get all the screws you can think of for the different depths and diameters you might need for your particular weapon. So you're going to see this is a metric 3 with a length of 11 millimeters. Here's a metric 4 with 11 millimeters. All the different sizes that you might need, you're going to have them here so you can use the ones that's applicable to you. Here's the other mount. This is for the Picatinny style. And it has bolts here. Even the bolts come with lock thread on there, Loctite style thread locker on there. So they've really thought this through. But yeah, this is what's going to go onto your Picatinny style rails. And you're just going to screw that in and clamp that down, hold that in nice and firmly. And then here's the sight itself. Everything's individually wrapped, carefully wrapped, so that nothing gets damaged. You can see very easy access on this. The battery just goes right here on the side. Just going to drop one of those in, and they even give you a spare. You only need one battery to operate the device. And you can see some through holes here for mounting it down, and also some adapter pieces are going to attach into these different mounting points on the plate. So if you're using it like this, you're going to be able to screw down the plate, and then this is going to lock in place here, and then you're going to use your 2 screws to go right down through to the weapon there. Really easy how they've done that. Similar here, different size indentations here on those sides to grab each corner. It's going to mount this right down, and you're going to screw this right into this Picatinny mount here itself, and then this is going to go onto your weapon with this side catch here, so you can slide it up and down for wherever you need it. So overall, yeah, very, very cool. The optics on these, you just got to see through them yourself to believe it, how clear it is, and how that that reticle just hovers there in midair, and you can see just perfectly through to your target and know exactly what you're dealing with. Managing your adjustments for your sights are right here. You've got just some small left and right windage here with a slot, and then up and down here on the top here with another screw there, and that's it. Power and adjustment buttons are here on the side. Very easy to deal with. There's just 2 buttons that you have to think about, and they explain what they do in the manual. So hey, I hope that was helpful to learn a little bit more about this red dot sight from CVLIFE. Hope this information was useful to you, and as always, I hope you have a great day.